here's what you do when you're stuck in a minivan for 4.5 days. And this is why we can't keep snacks in the van. So it's not raining as much as it is cold. It's 38, feels like 29, really high wind. Okay, 16 to 20. It's just cold. So I went out, got groceries at Walmart. Decided to hit some thrift stores, which I try not to. I got so much crap in the van, and I don't have the money to be spending. But look at those. Aren't those just freaking cute? They had a total brown pair I really wanted. And then these. They have the cutouts. Add some boot jewelry and adorable. So there went 12 bucks for the 2 pair. And I really have no space for them. So I did that. Walked around Walmart. That broke a couple of hours. So now I'm going to try to put all of these groceries away. Not that there's that many, but Gonna try to put the groceries away. Yeah, more snacks. Not the wisest choice. Without getting out of the van, I'm gonna try to do everything. And then I've got to do some cleaning. I've got to go through and get rid of stuff. I've got way too much stuff in here. And it is just stuff. Stuff I really don't need. I have an overabundance of clothes. That's the big thing. So, I'll play the guitar a little bit more, do some more reading. Got 2 more days of this super cold weather, and it'll be nice again. Yeah, we all do it. Okay, 97.5 of us probably do it. It's just something we don't talk about. Because it's like, oh, I'm growing hair on my face. I have so much hair on my face I could have wove a blanket. And one of them so long I probably could have used it as a leash and walked the dog. You know, it's just a daily upkeep of keeping the hair off our face. If I had this much hair on my head, I wouldn't have to wear a ball cap. It sucks, doesn't it? And it's just part of being a woman. Okay. By tomorrow rolls around, it'll be 4.5 days in the van. I am warm enough. I just got to get up every 2 hours and kick on my little buddy heater so I'm cold. If it's not on, even though I'm curled up under blankets, 3 layers on, I just get cold really easy. I got my window coverings off for the view, and I'm taking a nap in the front seat. That's where the kitty that we saved got me. Yesterday I had 2 puppies that they got away. I guess they've been running for 2 days. I got them food and stuff. I'm just tired, cold, and want to be outside of the van. I mean, I've been going out. I can exercise in here, do some stretches and stuff. Last night I started rearranging, and all I did was cause a mess. Yeah. Got to get that cleaned up next. But thought I'd tell you what it's been like. I ate all my snacks. I'm going to weigh 500 pounds. This 4.5 days is over. I've got a lot of reading done. Hi. Oh, does that feel good? Yeah. Such a good puppy. Yeah, look at you guys. Oh. If I leave to get you dog food, you'll run. I don't know what to do with you guys. You're cold, you're wet. Where'd you sleep last night? On the run, I bet. Hey, why are you on my bed? Why are you on my bed? And then I purchased these, I think they're 1 pound. There's 2 of them. Wrist weights that I use. I'm really losing some muscle with age. So I use these. I'll just walk around with them one day, and then the next day on my ankles. just to kind of try to keep the muscle that I do have. When I'm doing things, it really adds, that 1 pound you wouldn't think adds a lot. No wonder I'm worn out carrying all these pounds. And then I also bought this little dumbbell, which is 3 pounds, and I was thinking I should buy the 6-pounder. No, the 3-pounder really is quite a bit. So I do these arm exercises. Try to do them a couple times a day, you know, because I'm not getting out. I'm not walking like I should because of the weather. So just to keep my muscles moving, and so I don't have aches and pains. I'm lucky I don't. I do get a little stiff after a couple of days, but even if it's cold, I try to do a couple of those door exercises a couple of times a day. The other day it was nice enough before the rain came. I went for a walk, probably a mile along the beach. You know, got to keep our bodies going. So the wind is supposed to quit in about the next hour. Yay! I can get outside. It is pretty warm. It's 55 degrees. So the wind goes. I'm going to walk my trash over and maybe go for a small walk. But I thought I'd show you life in a minivan when you can't get out for about 4.5 days. So in the meantime, travel, explore, stay fantastic as always, and we'll see you down the open road.